Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. In last videos, we had been completed our 2 chapters. I am quite sure that you learnt or understood those lessons very well. Today, we are going to start our new chapter, chapter 3. But before going to start our new chapter, I want to show something. Are you able to see this picture? What is this picture showing? Can you recognize? Yes, you all are right. This picture is showing human parts of body. This picture is showing human parts of body. Children, tell me why God has given us different parts in our body? We have eye, we have nose, we have ears, tongue, teeth, fingers, hand and legs. Different parts in our body. But why? Why God has given us internal parts and external parts also? To do different type of works. We have eye for to see, we have ears to hear, we have nose to smell and breathe. We have tongue to taste, we have teeth to bite, we have fingers to hold the things, we have hands to do work, we have legs to move here and there. So that's why God has given us different parts in our body to do different work. Children, do you know that plant also has different parts to do different work? Today we are going to start our next chapter, chapter 3, parts of a plant. In this chapter we will learn about the all parts of a plant with their function. So look here, this is the picture of a plant. This picture is showing different part of a plant. This part below the ground, this part below the ground is called the root. The part which grows below the ground. The part which grows below the ground is called the root. And above the ground from the stem to up high, this whole part is counted as a shoot. This whole part is counted as a shoot. Now shoot has different parts. We will understand what are the different parts. First part is, these are called the branches. These are called the branches. This, what is this? This is the most beautiful part of a plant. This part is called the flower. This is the bud. These are the leaves. And the middle part is called the stem. The middle part is called the stem. This is the fruit we are eating, and inside the fruit some seeds also there. So these are the seeds. Now repeat it again. This middle part is called the stem. These parts are called the branches. These are the flowers. This is the bud. These are the leaves. Below the ground is called the root. This is the fruit. Inside the fruits, seeds are there. So plant has two parts. This part is called the shoot, and this part below the ground is called the root. Below the ground, this part is called the root, and above the ground is called the shoot. Now we will learn about one by one all the parts. First we will read about the root. Root has two types. Root has two types. There are two types of roots. First is taproot and second is fibrous root. Taproots grows below the ground in one main root. One main root is there and some side roots also there. But one main root is growing up to last. So these types of roots are called taproots. Now second is fibrous root. A number of roots are growing in that root. number of roots are growing in that root. These are called the fibrous root. Which are the fibrous root and taproot? This is the picture of carrot or radish. Main root only grows up to last in the ground. So this type of root are called taproot. And number of roots are growing. So these are called the fibrous root. Now look here. What is the function of the root? Root absorb the water and supply to the stem. When we are pouring the water to the root, root supply the water to the stem. Understand up to here? Now we will start stem. We will start to stem. What is the work of stem? This middle part is counted as a stem. This middle part is counted as a stem. What is the work or function of the stem? Stem hold the plant upright. What is the function of the stem? Stem hold the plant upright and give support to the branches. Now look here, I will show something. This is the plant. This is the root. Which root is matching here? Number of roots are there. So which type of root is this? This root is fibrous root. Number of roots are there. So this is the fibrous root. Now look here. This middle part is called the stem. We are reading about this. This is the stem. This is the stem. And these are the leaves. And these are the branches. Where? Look here. Another I am giving. These are the branches. These are the branches. So, this middle part is called the stem. Now look here again. This middle part is called the stem. What is the function of stem? Stem hold the plant upright. Stem hold the plant upright and give support to all the branches. One more function is there. When root supply the water to stem, the stem also supply or carries water to all the parts of plant. What is the function of stem? Stem carries the water and supply to all the parts of the plant up to leaves. Understand up to here? We will revise it again. Plant has two parts. We are dividing into two parts. First is below the ground is called the root. Above the ground whole part is counted as a shoot. Now shoot has different parts: branches, flowers, bud, leaves, stem, fruit, seeds. Up to here. Now look here. Root. There are two types of roots: taproot and fibrous root. One example of taproot: carrot. Fibrous root, one example of fibrous root: onion or grass. We read about or learn about the stem also. What is the function of stem? Stem hold the plant upright and give support to the branches. Stem also carries water and supply to all the parts of the plant. What is the function of root? Did you remember? Root absorb the water and supply the water to the stem. And what is the function of stem? Stem carries the water and supply to the whole part of the plant. Root fixes the plant in the ground and stem hold the plant upright and give support to the branches. I hope you understand up to here. In next video, we will continue this part. Up to here, you have to learn and understand and practice it for reading. So, till then, have a nice day.